Let's check out the Maono PD200X dynamic microphone. This is a USB/XLR, so it features both ways to connect. And let's have a look at the back of the box, because this is quite interesting. As you can see, everything is very well illustrated to explain what is what on the microphone. And we are going to check out those features and also do the sound test. So let's open it up and have a look what it has to offer. The packaging is quite nice. And just check out this protective foam. It comes with a user manual. Let's just have a quick look. Yeah, illustrations are quite good, and this is always good to have. They actually show the right way to use the capsule to, capture the sound, because with some microphones you just don't know where to speak. So don't do it like that, do it like this. Nice. And it comes with a very long USB cable. Also this thing to use it with a microphone arm or a microphone stand. We are going to check that out in just a little bit. But first, let's have a look at the build quality. Yeah, this thing comes with a shock mount, which is, quite nice, especially since it is not a huge thing like the one I have here, for example. If you have a look at this thing is massive. It takes up so much space. Compared to that, it's so compact, so much nicer. Yeah, I really like it. And there is your XLR and USB-C. Oh, let's have a look at that. Yeah, this is the foam, which doubles as a pop filter. Check it out. This is metal, and this right here is metal as well. So the build quality is quite nice, actually. I'm well impressed. Okay, so let's plug it in and give it a go. Just a couple of more additional things I'd like to add. This is a 2.5 meter cable. It has USB-A on this side and USB-C on this side. But if you have USB-C, if you want to connect to your laptop, it has that as well. So it's the best of both worlds. And another thing is that, just to make sure that this thing, the filter, it stays on there quite good. So as you can see, I'm shaking it. It's not coming off. But if I want to remove it, it's quite easy. For a stand, we are going to use Maono BA90 boom arm stand. Let's open it up and have a look. Hold on, how do I... Oh, I'll have to put the camera down. Okay, there we go. All the accessories and the instruction manual is included, and it is well packaged, to survive the transportation, the shipping. Let's put it together. On the back of the microphone you get 3.5mm jack for, to connect your monitor or headphones. This is the USB-C, XLR, and also a button to cycle through colors for the RGB LED. And a couple of more things I'd like to mention is this awesome addition, this mute button. You just press it and you can see the LED ring around this crown turns red. That means that the microphone is muted. And you press it again to reactivate it. And by the way, when it's green, it means that this crown is, not crown, but knob. This knob controls the microphone gain. And when it is blue, you just press on it. When it turns blue, it means that you are controlling the headphone jack at the back right there for your, audio monitoring. It is quite handy. 2-in-1. Here is the setup complete. As you can see, I've connected the microphone to my MacBook. So let's have a look at what this is like. Check it out. So there is that RGB LED right here, and you can cycle the colors using this button right here. So at the moment it's like changing, it's like a rainbow thing. As I press the button, it just cycles through various colors. As for the microphone stand, it is actually quite nice. Check this out. This is part metal, part plastic, but look at that. You have built-in cable clips, so you can make everything nice and tidy so that the cables are not like hanging off of the stand, nothing like that. And there is the tension points. You can adjust those, like for the microphone to assume any position you want. Basically, you can make that happen with these 3 points, right? Yeah, and I shall be using Final Cut Pro to record the sound for the sound test, and we'll do some pop filter tests as well. Okay, so right now you are hearing the Maono PD200X microphone. Let me know in the comments below, what do you think? Does it sound good? Does it sound okay? Bad? Let me know. I've already listened to it, to some recordings, and I must say that, I like the way it sounds, especially since it only costs $80. And the stand is also $80, by the way, unless you can catch it on sale. I'll leave the link to both products in the description below. But right now, I'm going to test some of the microphone capabilities. Like I'll read some test phrases to just have a listen if the pop filter is up to the task, or do you need like an additional one to make sure that you're not going to get all those pop sounds and, the sound of air moving out of your mouth, messing with the audio. So let me say some test phrases. All right. The swan dive was far short of perfect. The beauty of the view stunned the young boy. Press the pants and sew a button on the vest. Performance, iPod, iPad, all that good stuff. Let me know in the comments below. What do you think about it? I personally think that you still need, a proper pop filter if you want your audio to sound perfect every time, because as good as this built-in filter is, much better than on some of the other microphones I have used in the past, still, you need a proper pop filter to make sure that 100% of your audio is nice and clear. Alright, so that will be it for this video. If you enjoyed it, give it a like, and subscribe for more if you haven't already. I'll see you in the next one.